Hello guys, my name is Dan, and look, my face. Now in today I will show you how to create a C# text box that can launch a program. So as you can see here it is, Visual Studio 2019. I got the latest update. If you do have Visual 2019, then be sure to update it just like me. Now create a new project. Now for those who have low-end hardware, then yeah, it will load slower like me. Now if you haven't used Windows Form app.net framework, all you have to do is search up Windows Form app.net, open, choose this. We are going to use C#. Next. Next. Now here it is. As you can see here, this is your form. Resize it. There we go. We are going to rename our form. So as you can see here, go to this property panel. We are going to rename our program first before we continue. There we go. It's a bit harder to type because of the webcam's cable. Now as you can see here, grab text box, resize it, now as you can see here, sorry about that. Now as you can see here, here place the button. Rename your button. Now save, Control S to save. Double click your button. And we are going to scroll up. To make this easier, we are going to using system, diagnostic, and semicolon. Go to that button, process, start. Now usually when you wanted to start an application, you usually have to type quote and then type the application name. For example, Chrome.exe. This will launch Chrome. You don't have to use the file extension, but this itself, if you want the user to launch the application that they want to use, it became unpractical. So textbox1.text. Now as you can see here, if we launch this, so as you can see here, if we launch this MSH, there we go, it worked. How about MS Paint? File Explorer. That's pretty much it. That is basically how you create a button that, I mean a text box that launch program. So if you Find this tutorial any helpful, be sure to give me a like, subscribe, comment, and share this video so it can help out your friend too if they got trouble. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.